On this exercise, we are doing the Esquiva Recuada Vingativa and Martelo with the front leg to the right. So we have got those moves separately on the library, so please take a look on this before you try to combine them. So let's take a look on the exercise. We're going to start with the Esquiva Recuada on the right, so my right hand down. I'm going to turn my hip to the left sideways and going to step forward to do the Vingativa. Come back from the Vingativa, standing up, ready to set up the Martelo with the front leg. Remember to twist your hip to the side on the Martelo and then reset the Esquiva Recuada. Once you understand the step, you can add a little bit of momentum, but go slow until you get used to it. Make sure your hands completely flat on the floor. Turn your hip to the side. Come back to do the Martelo. Remember that we have done those moves separately, so don't change the technique. Go through the steps slowly, get used to it before you're trying to add momentum. Once you know what you're doing, and then it's easier, so you can travel more on the Vingativa, you can come back faster, you can kick the Martelo a little bit higher, but make sure you know the technique before you start to do this. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.